Alright, so there you guys go. That is what the lenses look like on my eyes, my naturally dark brown Asian eyes. So if you guys aren't familiar with how I conduct my reviews, I basically go into the nitty-gritty side of things, talking about the colour and how it blends, and maybe talking a little bit about the pattern as well. So yeah, if you guys are into that, definitely keep on watching. If however you guys would like to see like just how these lenses look like with makeup on, definitely check out my Instagram. I'll have a couple of photos where I'm wearing these lenses linked down in the description box down below. While you're there, you might as well also follow me if you guys would like to. And yeah, now let's get into the nitty-gritty part of the review. Now these lenses were sent to me by Pinky Paradise a couple of months ago. I completely forgot to review them, sorry, here I am. So these lenses are the Uris, I believe that's how you pronounce them, Uris Polaris Grey, and these are yearly contact lenses, and they only retail for $26.90, I believe that's USD, and I'm honestly very pleasantly surprised at the quality, the pattern for that price. Now the reason why I have entitled this video this title essentially is because I think they're really good dupes for Solotica, and I review a lot of Solotica lenses. I specifically the Hidrocor range, whatever you like to pronounce it as, because the pupil size, if you look at this photo, is very narrow. That is very rare in like Asian lenses in general, and I do believe this is an Asian brand. Yes, it's made in Korea. It's very rare you find Asian brands with a very narrow pupil size. Usually they go for like circle lenses, so they go for a larger pupil size for an enlarged eye look, and that's like the whole fashion over there, and I completely get that. But for me, I prefer very narrow lenses because I want them to look quite natural. Now when I say natural, I mean like just natural on the eye, not like zombie-esque, not circle eye, not circle lens looking. Like I don't really like that on myself. I prefer these kinds of lenses, and these are so inexpensive. Like compared to Solotica, I believe Solotica lenses are roughly like 80 to 100 USD. These are a really nice alternative. Now I have done like clickbaity stuff for other contact lens videos, but this is probably the closest to a Solotica lens I have ever seen. If you guys would like me to compare this to a Solotica lens, definitely let me know down in the comment box down below, just because yeah, I feel like they're a very close contender for Solotica. I don't believe I have a lens color that is similar to this though. Yeah, I would say this is probably closer to Hidrocor Cristal, but probably a little bit darker. It's not exactly Quartzo. Quartzo I feel like is a little bit... It's definitely not Quartzo. Quartzo is a lot lighter and definitely more green-grey, whereas this one is just definitely more like your... almost like a slate grey, if that makes sense. But it's a really nice colour, don't get me wrong, it's a really nice colour. Now in terms of the colour itself, like I said, it's like a slate grey colour, but when you look up close, it's more like a grey blue colour with a slight bit of yellow green flecks in the center. It doesn't seem to have like a lot of blending in the center part of the pupil, which I didn't really expect, and particularly with this design, which is why I think it's a very good dupe for Solotica, because Solotica does the same thing as well. Now I'm currently filming this at night, so if you guys would like to see a follow-up video of me wearing this during the daytime, definitely let me know down in the comment box as well. If you guys would like to get your hands on these, definitely check out the description box down below for Pinky Paradise. As far as I know, they're the only place that sells them, correct me if I'm wrong. As far as I know, Pinky Paradise delivers to different countries around the world. If you guys are wondering where I am in Melbourne, Australia, and they delivered here. But yeah, if you guys would like me to try out the different colours from the brand, definitely let me know down in the comment box down below which ones you guys would like me to review first. I'll try and get my hands on them and do the review for you guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys did enjoy the video, and hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already. I'm very rusty. Thank you again so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!